Dash cams have gone from being niche gadgets to essential tools for almost every vehicle. What used to be a device only serious drivers or tech enthusiasts installed is now a must-have for safety-conscious motorists, rideshare drivers, and anyone who wants peace of mind on the road. Whether you want to capture scenic drives, monitor your vehicle while parked, or have concrete evidence in case of an accident, a dash cam can be invaluable. But as you shop around, you'll quickly notice two dominant categories: mirror dash cams and regular dash cams. Each has its own set of advantages, disadvantages, and ideal use cases. Choosing between them isn't always straightforward, so let's dive deep and examine the differences, features, and practical considerations to help you decide which type is right for you. A mirror dash cam is exactly what it sounds like: a dash cam integrated into your rearview mirror. Rather than being a separate device mounted on your windshield, a mirror dash cam replaces your existing mirror with a smart mirror that incorporates a camera, touch screen, and sometimes additional features like GPS, lane departure warnings, or parking monitoring. The appeal of a mirror dash cam is obvious. It combines multiple functions into one device. Instead of cluttering your windshield with a separate camera, you get a dual-purpose device that looks almost like a regular mirror. Many models also include a rear-facing camera, either built into the mirror itself or as an external module, which can serve as a backup camera. The touchscreen interface makes it easy to adjust settings, view footage, or even interact with the device in real time, eliminating the need to rely entirely on a mobile app. Mirror dash cams offer several advantages. First, their integrated design keeps your windshield uncluttered, which many drivers appreciate. Second, most mirror dash cams come with a rear camera that can record while driving or assist with reversing. Third, the touchscreen interface allows for convenient interaction, including adjusting settings and reviewing footage directly on the mirror. Fourth, parking mode is commonly included, which uses motion detection and G sensors to monitor your vehicle while parked. Lastly, many models include added features such as lane departure warnings, forward collision alerts, and GPS logging for speed and location tracking. Mirror dash cams aren't without drawbacks. They tend to be more expensive than regular dash cams due to their dual-function design. Installation can be more complex, often requiring wiring behind the headliner and connecting to power. Some users report glare on the touchscreen, which can make it hard to see footage in bright sunlight. Finally, having a large screen in your line of sight can be distracting if you interact with it while driving. Despite these drawbacks, mirror dash cams are ideal for those seeking a neat, integrated solution with easy access to controls and rear monitoring. A regular dash cam is the traditional type that mounts on your windshield or dashboard. These cameras primarily focus on recording the road ahead, although many offer dual-channel systems that include a rear camera. Regular dash cams come in various sizes, resolutions, and features, from compact models to high-end units with 4K recording, HDR, and WDR for improved low-light performance. The advantages of regular dash cams are clear. They're generally more affordable, easier to install, and offer a range of options for different budgets and recording needs. Small dash cams are discreet and don't obstruct your windshield, while larger units often provide better video quality and additional features like GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity, and cloud storage. Regular dash cams have several strengths. First, they are more budget-friendly, with entry-level models starting around $50. Second, installation is straightforward. Most attach with a suction cup or adhesive mount and connect to a 12-volt socket or USB port. Third, they are discreet, making them less likely to attract attention from potential thieves. Fourth, they are expandable. You can easily add rear or interior cameras, which is especially useful for rideshare drivers or those wanting full vehicle coverage. However, regular dash cams also have some downsides. Larger units can take up space on your windshield and potentially obstruct your view. They don't replace your standard rear view mirror, so you still need a separate mirror in your vehicle. Many models rely on mobile apps to view recordings or adjust settings, which can be convenient but slightly less immediate than an integrated touchscreen. When it comes to video quality, mirror dash cams often feature Full HD or 2K front cameras, with high-end models offering 4K recording. Rear cameras usually record at 1080p. Regular dash cams vary widely. Entry-level units often record at 1080p, while premium models provide 4K with HDR and WDR for better low-light performance. High-end regular dash cams can match or exceed most mirror dash cams in terms of clarity, detail, and license plate legibility. Field of view is another consideration. Mirror dash cams usually include dual cameras, but the front camera angle may be slightly narrower than a traditional dash cam. Regular dash cams often feature ultra-wide lenses, capturing more of the road, side lanes, and adjacent vehicles, which is crucial for accident documentation. Ease of use differs as well. Mirror dash cams offer touchscreens that allow quick adjustments, reviewing footage, and direct interaction. Regular dash cams, especially compact models, rely on small onboard screens or mobile apps, which can be slightly less convenient but reduce potential distractions. Parking mode is critical for many drivers. Mirror dash cams usually include built-in motion detection and G sensors for out-of-the-box monitoring, while regular dash cams may require hardwiring or external batteries for the same functionality. Modern regular dash cams, however, increasingly include integrated parking monitoring as well. Different driving situations highlight the strengths of each type of dash cam. For daily commuters, mirror dash cams are appealing because they keep the windshield clear and provide easy access to footage when needed. For long road trips, regular dash cams with wide-angle 4K lenses are ideal for capturing scenic roads and distant details. Rideshare drivers benefit from regular dash cams that support dual or triple channels, including cabin monitoring, offering more flexibility than mirror dash cams. In urban parking environments, mirror dash cams excel because their integrated parking mode can detect impacts or motion without complex installation, providing peace of mind in crowded lots. Mirror dash cams typically require replacing the existing rearview mirror, which can involve removing trim panels and routing wiring behind the headliner. Power is usually supplied via a fuse tap or dedicated hardwire kit. Some models include plug-and-play kits to simplify installation, but it remains more involved than a regular dash cam. Regular dash cams are much easier to install. They usually attach via adhesive or suction mounts and connect to a 12-volt socket or USB port. Hardwiring is optional and mainly needed for parking mode. If you're not comfortable with car wiring, a regular dash cam is the simpler choice. Mirror dash cams generally start around $150 and can exceed $400, with high-end models surpassing $500 if they include 4K recording, GPS, and dual cameras. Regular dash cams are more budget-friendly, with entry-level options around $50, mid-range models from $100 to $200, and premium units up to $350. In terms of value per dollar, regular dash cams usually offer more features for the price, especially if recording quality is your priority. Here's a practical way to decide. Choose a mirror dash cam if you want a clean, integrated system. Touchscreen control is important. You value out-of-the-box parking mode and rear-view monitoring, and you don't mind spending a bit more for convenience. Choose a regular dash cam if video quality and field of view are top priorities. You want a flexible system that can expand with additional cameras. Budget is a concern. Or you prefer a small, discrete device. Both types provide essential safety benefits, including recording accidents, monitoring parked vehicles, and enhancing overall driving security. The key is choosing a device that matches your lifestyle and driving habits. Mirror dash cams provide convenience, integration, and user-friendly interfaces, while regular dash cams excel in versatility, video quality, and affordability. Both can record critical footage, monitor your vehicle while parked, and improve safety on the road. Ultimately, the best dash cam is the one you will actually use. It's not about which type looks cooler or has more features, it's about which device meets your needs, provides reliable evidence, and suits your driving style. Make a choice that fits your priorities, and your dash cam will reward you every time you hit the road.